Hey guys, it's your girl Queen Bee back with another video. I don't know, I keep calling myself Queen Bee probably because I'm the queen and my name is Brunette. Let's start with a B. Grandma. Shh. She's just talking, okay. So today I'm going to be making slime. I don't think you guys can hear me. I'm making slime. So this is soap. It is, my mom bought that, but I'm just going to use it. And I got some perfume lotion so it could set and it could be stretching. I don't know why I picked both. I don't know. I got white glue, crazy art glue, some Karina Garcia slime glue, and I got some Elmer's glue, the Elmer twins. I think I'm going to use Elmer's or this one. I don't know. And by the way, I do have some food coloring, but I will have to get some gloves. So let me grab that right here. Oh, well, yeah, you guys. This is what my food coloring is. Well, the gloves usually be in this part. They're not in there, so I have to go back upstairs and get some gloves. Well, I don't need one glove because making one slime. I mean, yeah, well, I only need one food coloring too. So, basically, yeah. I don't even know where they at. Oh, yes, I do. I see one. Just leave them on the floor. I'll pick them up when I'm done. So, guys, as you know, I don't have a camera yet because we have to move first to get a camera. So, we're still in our old house right now until Mama finds a different house. So, I'm going to choose out of these. Well, if I get Elmer's, then I have to use Elmer's.
Oh, yeah.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by his toe. If you had to let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Elmer's. I knew that was gonna happen. Well, sorry, y'all can't just see me. Y'all just reading it. Clumsy. I almost fell. Okay, so this stuff shouldn't be in my way. I'm going to open this, and then I gotta add some mixing. So let's go get a plastic fork. Oh wow! One thing I forgot to show you guys, my activator's from Karina Garcia, but it's full of dry slime. And when I run out of this, it's gonna be all blue slimes that I see me make, unless I add red food that's gonna be purple. So open my Elmer's glue. This don't have that much in it, so I'm gonna keep it like that because it can't stand like this. I had got this glue on my birthday. Hold on. Because I had a sleepover for my birthday, and we had made slime, so we had used and there was mad people here. This is my last chance, so I can never get slime on the carpet because my mom said she gonna throw away all my slime for this slime on her carpet. We didn't even make a mess on my birthday when we were making slime. We just poured our glue in and we was ready to make slime.
You're gonna have to go to all these.
Time to
That's where we're gonna have to go.
soap
And
in.
their little things is
It's gonna be
cheaper.
very fluffy because I don't have a lot. Well, I don't have shake glue left,
Gotta make some
but it's
spinach.
gonna be really fluffy if I keep adding this soap. But I'm not gonna add a lot of soap because I don't want this to just be soapy. Ooh, I just opened it and tried to shake it. Ooh, lotion came out. No, it's not even lotion. It's body wash. So I want to add all the white stuff first because I don't want it to be like all plain ugly. So I might add a little bit of pink, but this is pretty much what I need. I'm just gonna add the. Should I make red or blue slime? I'm gonna make purple. Oh, I hate this part where you have to open the dye. Then my hand's gonna get gonna turn
Yeah,
red.
we'll get all that stuff this
Oh,
week.
they didn't. Yay. guys, by the way. Our parents don't really let us play with Forex too. So that's why we don't really be using Forex. Ooh, this like a darkish, purplish, bluish. Whoa, look at the color. In my vision, it's like all colorful. But in camera vision, it's like just a bluish to y'all. Whoa, I'm glad I added a lot of blue. I love this color. I don't have one of these slimes yet. I forgot. I need to add more soap. I will. Can you guys see the soap in there? I don't think you guys can because the thing is all full with blue stuff. Yes, go to a lighter. Duh. Oh, no, it's just making the dye come out more. Okay, let me add some more red because I don't think this is purple slime, but I love the color. I really don't want that much purple slime. Oh, whoa, this is so pretty. Now that's the final color. It's weird because you guys can't really see the color. It's like red stripes. I think you guys can see it, but it's hard to see it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion. I don't want it to make it lighter though. Please don't make this lighter or brighter. Oh, that rhymes. Lighter or brighter. Time to activate it. So this is how it looks. Looks so melty because I haven't activated it yet.
I gotta
Activate. It's like a little hole right there. So when you try to put your activator in, all of it don't run down. Oh, please say this comes out right. Why am I still... Oh, no. The color went away. But it still looks pretty. The activator I'm using, it makes your slime
dark.
darker.
It ain't even no big deal about no ninja.
Because I have that. I have this. Well, it's not really this color, but I do have a color.
Yeah, it's
wow. Whoa, this is out of control. Out of your mind.
Right, and that's exactly what the
paper
is. It's just a bigger version, so you can put more stuff in it. That's all.
Wait, I'm throwing it away. Some parts of it filled up. Yeah, it's similar. It's similar, right? I'll show you guys this after. Look at this paper. This slime doesn't turn out like that. I think I would have to let this sit for 2 hours. No, I'm just kidding with you guys.
I know, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
It doesn't activate really fast because, ew. My hands are gonna turn blue.
Just like the one at Panera Bread.
Oh, like it's just like the lights that I have.
The green.
If you tip it down, you'll see a darker side of it. It looks like kind of gray.
Oh my goodness, girl.
Yeah, I don't even think y'all can hear me this whole video.
They are.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Glove, get off my hand.
They like $5. Yeah, but you'll come out
it's
better.
Not even I just slide.
It ain't gonna taste like theirs exactly.
It's so good. This is not.
You got the just
other slides.
Yep, the just
this is
everything
probably like
that
the
you
most best. Oh, it actually smells like strawberries.
Yeah.
Wow, strawberry.
Well, Nick was at the store yesterday. I asked her to get some spinach.
Spinach.
Oh.
Ooh, that does smell like strawberries. It's a good scent. Oh, I got hair on my face. Ooh. So this is my pretty slime. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna call it Martina Mellow. I think that spells Martina. Whatever. But let's move all this stuff out my way. Close the dye box. I had extra slimes out. Oh, I had extra containers. I just moved my stuff to. Ooh, I don't want that to fall because I'm gonna get even more trouble. Because I had I didn't do it, but my cousins did it because they spilled slime on the carpet. They were playing with my slime. They're older than me too. They should be more responsible than me. So it's like a little bit blue slime. think it's the TV. Jeez.
Yeah.
Ah, this feels so good. It's a little loopy, but it's the best. Like this slime. It's more. I'm gonna add some soap.
I gotta find some pears.
I think it's because I added soap and lotion together. But a lot of people add soap and lotion together because lotion makes it stretchy and soap makes it fluffy. Because if you don't have lotion, actually makes it rippy, kind of. No, lotion just made this even more stretchier. Oh crap! And it made it stickier. Yeah, sometimes if you add lotion to like sticky slime, it's gonna melt. See, my hands are a little bit blue. They're like a light Smurf blue. I'm gonna call you Smurfy, but that means I need to get a Sharpie and put Smurfy or Smurf on the bottom. Well, I think that was it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See, I just was ready to make slime because I didn't make slime in a long time. I didn't even say, if you're new to this channel, my name is Brene. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button. I didn't say none of that in the beginning. So now I'm saying that at the end. If you were new to my channel, my name is Brene. And this is me and my brother's YouTube channel. He's going to be posted on Fortnite. I'm going to be posting on Arts and Crafts. If he wants to, I'll probably log him in because I remember my password. Well, I don't remember my password, but I remember my email. So, guys, I will see you later. 1, 2, 3. What?